My friends, yeah, what do those t-shirts say, inspire youth? Does any of you kids have the courage to come and sing? We'll let you sing. Come on, you're thinking about it. These two are just smiling. They're just real. You can do it. I promise you, it's nerve-wracking. However, once you get up here and after you're finished, you'll be addicted to it. It's the best ever. Oh, we're gonna keep going here. If you guys sing a song, then at least you can say, I jammed a song with Stephen Williams, which is the bass player, by the way. You guys sing it? I'll sing back up. You guys sing it? Okay, yeah, we got Mr. J. Ross. You're gonna sing some Spirit in the Sky Ski all the way in Hallski Lake. David? What? That? What? We're gonna play Stairway to Heaven? Oh, okay. It's kind of confusing here because Ryan's not here. Go ahead, Jay. No more talking. It's David. Are you live on your Christian mingle right now? Once again, the youth here. If you guys want to sing a song, come jam with us. Or anybody. Why not just anybody? Instead of just making their vote. How about you? Scared to sing? The one in the front there. Believe me, let's watch. You kids will be singing when you're 40 years old if you guys try it out. We try a song here by Mr. Dwight Diddley Yoakum. Fast as you? You sing it? I'll try it out here. Here's a song I'm going to send out to Tammy. Huh? Go ahead, Jay. Did you want to hook up that pedal first, or? Okay. about 20 songs in a row.
Just go.
What does that mean?
Doing my guitar. Wait.
What does that mean, Chisqua? I should sing. I know. That's a song Ryan sings, but he's, yeah, like I said, he's back home. Get out of here. You want to arm wrestle right now? You could probably beat me in a leg wrestle. Jason's a master of all leg wrestling champions because his legs are always in the air. That's a bad joke to crack right now. Is the people here like the Benjamins back home, only 4'2"? They're just like little baby hobbits from the track and field. Oh, it's real funny. Yeah! Alright, we're gonna do a song here made famous by my friend Ken Peterson, my late friend. Let's send it out to, let me see, Sparky. You leave those matches alone. You only use a match to light sweetgrass, that's it. That's all. To smudge, that's it. You're only allowed to use a lighter or, okay? That's good. Oh, and one more thing. He's gonna jig all the way back. See, hey, jigging. I can never get the fiddle ending. Oh, Keith, remember Keith? Alright, we're gonna do a song called Sad Songs. I'm gonna send it out to Mr. Jude. I don't know When you're a musician, your ears eventually get to be no good. Eventually I have the hearing of like a 80-year-old. I can't hear out of this one. I can a little bit out of this one. Say something to me. Huh? What? Yeah, which one?
Hello, check 1, 2.
Of course.
Jude, where did he go? I want him to record. Record me. I'm gonna back him up.
Quite nice. Where we live in summer and winters, we're living a tough but a happy life. Every year we're gonna meet the Frank's Point. The old town is a memory. Living on the lake, fishing in the back bay. It's called Mama Knows is where I want to be. Mama knows, son, my heart lies. Mama knows, son, I see the golden sky. Mama knows, son, stars shining. That's my home, my old friend. Here's a song to all my elders, to the people that keep us alive, to my cocoa and my motion. The many years we failed to try. Oh no, son, my heart lies. Oh no, son, I see the northern sky. Oh no, son, stars shining again. That's my heart, my old friend. Oh no, son, oh no, son, oh no, son, my old friend.
Yeah, Jason.
wrote you a song, but it's been so long since I looked in your eyes. There was a way I could see you today and hold your sweet, sweet smile. Oh, I beat it, oh, I beat it, oh, I beat it. Not a minute goes by that you ain't on my mind. Not a place in my heart that you don't occupy. Babe, I miss you. So I wrote you a song, but it's been so long since I looked in your eyes. There was a way I could see you today and hold your sweet, sweet smile. Oh, I beat it, oh, I beat it, I beat it, yeah, I beat it, I beat it.
Yeah! Did I just see Leonard? He just come walking out of the... Is that your green van? Sweet!
Leonard Adam.
Mr. Leonard Adam, all the way from Fond du Lac.
Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, Marcy Joe. Good to be part of the gathering. First Nations Day, they call it. Our day, our summer. Yeah. I was working here since Monday, building a new lagoon.
Lagoon.
Yeah, lagoon. Yeah, here, let's do a song that I wrote. My friend called it Giant Beaver.
Well, that's what I thought you sang.
He goes, Leonard, play your song there, that Giant Beaver. This was about like 8 years ago. We were playing somewhere else. Yeah,
I'm Cree, man.
And I go, Giant Beaver? What kind of song is that, Giant Beaver? And he goes, Giant Beaver!
Well,
Let's do that song there, buddy.
I just thought, oh man, Leonard must love Big Beaver.
Hey, let's do relatives, brother. This guy knows a few more songs that I do.
What about 10 songs if you want? 10 songs. On what? Coming on 4?
Yeah. Marcy Joe, thank you.
Giant beaver! Do you just think of me every time you yell that part? Come in from Lila Cross.
Do some wildflower.
Which one's this one? Huh? Oh!
I wish you could swim like dolphins can swim. No, nothing could keep us together. We could be down forever and ever. We could be heroes. It's just one day. I'll be king. Oh, you'll be queen. But nothing will drive it away. We could be down forever and ever. We could be heroes. It's just one day. I remember standing by everyone. The clothes song of our head. Every kiss, so nothing could fall. And the sea was on the outside. We could be heroes. It's just one day. We could be down. It's just one day. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. We could be heroes just one day. Yeah, some wildflower. Marcy Joe.
Yeah, that's a nice van. Shellbrook again? You remember that one time I ran into you in Shellbrook? You remember? You were at Neighbor Ford 10 years ago? The guy was buying a brand new truck. It's rich. Mr. Leonard Adams, good to see you again. It's been too long. At least 2 months, eh? Used to see each other every 2 weeks. You don't send me letters in the mail anymore? Oh, you got out though. You know, from jail. Never mind. That joke bombed. Steven, are you a good drummer? Is there a place to use a washroom around here? In the house? You want to drum, Steven? No? Here. Normally I would, but it's an emergency.
Hey, Canadian, eh? Cree.
Good to see Leonard. Your fish is delicious. That's what she said. What? Jimmy? You gonna sing it? You gonna sing it? Try it. Yes.
Yes.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Hall Lake. Beautiful. Thank you for the fish. We're gonna save some for us, okay? Please. Will you please?
Got your back, bro.
And if there's any panic,
Up here they call it badock.
baby, baby, don't panic. I know how to cook panic.
No one could panic. What's that?
Down a dangerous
Jude!
road.
Get up here, Jude!
Jude! Jude!
Apparently it's his, never mind, I forgot where I am. What? Oh, really? Couple more? Okay, we're gonna do one more song, my friends. Hey, oh. This will be the first time this song has ever ended a Black
I
Angel.
really love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you more. I love you here to depth it. You're supposed to say, I love you here to Big River.
Spread the love.
To
Spread the
PA.
love.
From here to PA.
I love you here to Nipawin.
Let's start for
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Say,
you.
Okay, everyone, thank you for attending. We have a lot of thank yous to do to everybody who made today's events really, really awesome. I'd like to thank Larry Adam for coming out. I wish we get more of you this summer. You know, it's so hard to get in touch with you. You know, we'd like to see you more in our local area. Yeah, but thank you for appearing tonight. There's right on. I'd like to thank Jude up here and also the Black Rain. And first, yeah.
And say, J. Ross.
Right on.
Jamie Good.
Stephen Williams.
All right, thank you very much, Black Rain. Thank you to all the performers. I'd like to thank Conrad Nedahau from Montreal Lake for being here and taking the films. I guess films is an old word. Videos. A little bit behind. Again, I hope you all enjoyed yourself. Make sure you have some fish to eat before you go home. And if you have to, put a fish in your pocket and eat it away. Thank you. Good night.
Get off, so I had to flip the log truck. So you heard the music? Yeah. That's where they have to come down. Oh, yeah, grab some fish. Yeah, where is it? Right here. Inside here. Any last words? Any last words?
Oh, yes. I hope everyone enjoyed the show today. I definitely enjoyed the whole day. We had a lot of people show up. We had our kids from the Sally Ross School come over, and we had bouncy castles set up here. We had a petting zoo. We had horse rides, and the cooks have been cooking us since before we started. They've been doing an amazing job, and I'm glad we had a good attendance. And I'd like to thank all the people who are involved today. There's so many that I really can't remember who was all here, but with all of them together and their efforts, I think we all had a very good day at Hall Lake.
You're fired. You got fire all around you too, eh?
Yeah, we have a fire all around us, and I'm sure we had a good scenery though. We have a lake right behind us. So thank you very much, and thank you, Conrad.